Manipur today reported 2 more COVID-19 cases, taking the tally to 6. Now, the state has 4 active coronavirus cases. 2 patients have been discharged or cured. The 2 fresh COVID-19 patients hail from More in Technopal district, official sources informed. They have been staying in a quarantine center at IIT Manipur. A bus carrying 21 stranded Manipuris from Punjab met with an accident at Sibilong near Nung Dolan on IMPHAL-JIRIBAM road in Tamenglong district this morning. However, no one was injured in the road mishap according to a report. Following the mishap, volunteers of National Highway 37 Surveillance Committee Jiribam rushed to the site and helped the passengers. The volunteers also arranged a bus to send back the returnees to Imphal. 932 stranded people from Punjab are on their way to Imphal. Joint Director of Manipur Transport Department, PK Sharma, today flagged off 7 buses carrying 134 stranded people, including students from Nagaland. The buses were flagged off from North AOC in Imphal under the supervision of State Transport Department with sponsorship from the Nagaland government. More than 20 migrant laborers were killed and dozens were injured after the truck they were traveling in collided with another vehicle in AURAIYA district of Uttar Pradesh early in the morning, reports said. The trailer truck carrying around 50 migrant laborers was coming from Rajasthan when it collided with a van coming from Delhi in AURAIYA district's Meholi area, a media report said. With India crossing the coronavirus tally of China, signs of a second wave have cropped up in the country. States like Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Assam and Goa had either stopped reporting new cases or were reporting very few. In the last couple of days, however, there has been a noticeable rise in these states, a media report said. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Friday put out the fresh number of coronavirus cases in the country. The cases have crossed the 85,000 mark, settling at 85,940. At least 30,152 have been cured from the virus infection. The death toll is at 2,752, with the highest deaths reported from Maharashtra at 1,068. In Tripura, 13 BSF personnel who tested positive for the COVID-19 were discharged from the hospital yesterday, taking the overall tally to 42. The BSF personnel were discharged from the Govind Vallabh Pant Hospital in Agartala. The BSF men were given a rousing send-off by the hospital staff. As per guidelines, the released patients will now be sent to the mandatory 14 days home quarantine as per media reports. A shop and a godown were completely destroyed in a fire that took place last night at Thingungai Mayailekai Ward No. 6 under Bishnupur district. The shop and godown belong to one Ngangom Jiten, aged 46 years, of Thingungai Mayailekai. Properties worth Rs 10 lakh were destroyed by the blaze according to a media report.